What's up, my jewels and gems? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you know me, hi, welcome back. If you don't know me, my name is Savannah Viterelli. I'm a content creator. I create content on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. So I have not posted a video for like 2 years. I took a break from YouTube specifically because my computer broke and my camera broke, and it's crazy because that all started happening after I filmed my hair extension video, which you could see on my page. And that was like the first video that I've had that's gotten thousands and thousands of views, and everybody is asking me for an update, and I feel so bad for leaving you guys hanging, but I promise, keep your eyes open. The update is coming, and I have a lot of stuff to talk about regarding the extensions. But that's not why we are here today. Today, I decided I wanted to do a unboxing. So before I begin, I just want to start off by saying that this is not a sponsored post. Nothing is sponsored. This is not a brand deal, none of that. So yes, I'm going to be unboxing my Ugg boots today. And these were so freaking hard to get. They were completely sold out. I wanted them for Christmas. My boyfriend was gonna get them for me for a Christmas present, but they were completely sold out. I don't even know if back order was like available at the time, but he found like a different website to order them from, and turns out this is a website that scams people with Uggs, because their Uggs are usually sold out. Like, you have to be on back order to get a pair because they're so popular. So yeah, that was a scam. We decided to just reorder another pair from the actual website. I was on back order sometime around December, and I just received them now, and it's March. So I'm gonna finally unbox them and show you guys and share my thoughts and opinions on them with you. So the Uggs are perfectly fine. Thank the Lord, because I was not about to go through this whole process again. I wasn't. So I got a size 9. These are the UGG Ultra Minis. You can see if it's focusing. Yeah. So I got a size 9. I sized up that much because everybody was saying that if you are going to be wearing socks with these or whatever, you want to size up, you want to have room. And we're gonna see if, you know, I made a good choice by doing that or not. All right, let's go ahead and open them up. Rude. Anyway, this is what they look like inside of the box. So when you open the box, they give you a thank you card. Basically, it has a little QR code on there, so you can go on their website and register your shoes, which I think is really cool. Gosh, they are so like soft, like they are just amazing. Yes, I'm so happy. Oh my god, I was gonna get the platform ones at first, but I changed my mind because a lot of people said that they look weird. I don't know. I just stuck with the regular Ultra Minis, and I'm very happy that I did. At first look, they look pretty good. The seams look really good. Obviously, people complain about this a lot, but if you look right here, you'll see kind of like a little bit of the fuzz coming out of the seam, but that's usually normal, especially because of the way these are made. But yeah, other than that, the seams look really good. There's no stains on it yet. These are the bottoms, if you want to see. Here are them together. Super, super cute. Sorry, just give me a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out these little inserts that they put in there, and these ones that keep them, you know, rounded out. The inside is freaking amazing. It's honestly, I'm not gonna lie, they are a little bit different. I have owned Uggs before. It doesn't feel as soft as the old ones, but it's still very soft. One thing about these, people say they have a really hard time getting their foot into them, and I'm like, really? Because I don't know, this looks like, you could imagine that the Ultra Minis would be easier to get your feet into. They look like, you know, your feet could slide right in there. We're gonna go ahead and put these on my feet and we're gonna see if the rumors are true. Okay, so I went ahead and I put on my socks. I put on some thick ones so that we could really, you know, see if there's enough room for the sock and my foot in these. Okay, so I do kind of see what people mean when they say that they are difficult to put on, because as soon as I slide my foot in there, it gets caught here because they're so, you know, slender. These are slender. And I have freaking like, I have skinny ankles, like, yeah. So very not easy. You can't slide your feet in them. First impressions, just my feet in them. They are so warm, let me tell you. The main reason why I wanted some Uggs is because my feet, I have really bad circulation. They're super, super warm. I love that. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. They're freaking adorable. Okay, so I put them on my feet, walked around in them for a little bit. They're amazing. Like, I cannot, they're the best slippers that I probably will ever own in my entire life. And they freaking better be, because let me get into the price of these things. So the UGG Ultra Minis specifically themselves are $140. You check out, shipping is free, sales tax is about $10.85. So the total came to $150.85. Now, people have their opinions. And I do too, honestly. I think it's ridiculous. I think that shoes like this should not cost $150. I obviously, the way that they make them and stuff, they put a lot of work into it. They're beautiful, they're really soft, they're amazing shoes, but they are not affordable for people at all. A good thing that I heard from someone, they said, if you can't buy it twice comfortably, do not buy it. That is something to live by. And I totally agree with that, because $150 is not cheap. But I'm gonna say I'm so grateful that my boyfriend bought me these, because I've been dreaming, I wanted them so bad. I would not stop talking about them. I was like, babe, I need to have a pair. Like, I need them so bad. And he loves me so much that he, you know, even though they're $150, like, and they're expensive as hell, like, you know, he still got them for me, and I'm really grateful for that. He also got me my new camera, which I will be doing a video on to show you guys. I got a viewfinder so it can focus. If you notice in my last videos, my videos did not focus, and that's for the sole purpose of my camera was okay. So anyway, overall thoughts, overall opinion, are they worth it is my question to myself. Are they worth it? I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna say if you have the money to spend and you wanna get yourself a nice, comfortable, warm pair of, you know, boots, then yeah, $150 for these boots, totally worth it for you. If you don't have the money, there are so many other dupes that are just as good. Am I worried about the seams, or is there anything I'm worried about with these? I'm worried about the seams, because over time, the fuzz stuff comes through them, like it just does, and I'm worried about water. I probably should have ordered the waterproof spray, even though people claim that the waterproof spray that you could buy on their website does not work. But I'll buy it, I'll test it out for you guys. If that's something you guys are interested in, just let me know in the comments below. But that pretty much wraps up this unboxing video. If you are interested in a pair, I'm gonna link the ones that I got down below so that you could check them out. And I'm pretty sure they have like tons of other ones. They have slippers, they have like full-on boots. So really they cater to a lot of different styles that people like, which is really nice. So if that's what you're interested in, you wanna check it out, I'm gonna link it. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching my UGG unboxing. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and loved it and were entertained. If there's anything in specific you guys want me to buy and try, let me know. I will do pretty much anything, like anything that's appropriate. Let me throw that out there. I'm sorry, my mind is in the gutter. But yeah, if there's anything you guys want me to try, please let me know. I love you guys. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.